Today, I'll be talking to you about some of the common mistakes we do as caregivers, especially with our elders. The first one is expecting our elderly to eat like us. The most common thing that I hear from people are they don't eat. Let me tell you a fact. No human being in normal circumstances can live without food and water. If the person is not able to eat, it is suggesting that something is really wrong. And sometimes it also says that if the person is not eating, that means the body does not need it. And we have to respect that. We have followed from ages that we have to have 3 meals a day. It's absolutely not necessary for human beings to have so much food. So we overfeeding them or expecting them to eat what we give them is actually a wrong thing to do. Then there are a few other points that contribute to the fact that the elderly cannot eat a lot. One is their activity is very limited. And because their activity is very limited, their energy is less spent. And when energy is less spent, the body does not have any requirement of feeding. Secondly, as you age, your metabolism slows, and because of which your appetite also slows. Because of the changes in the brain and the entire body, your sensory system is also altered. The next one, as age progresses, the gut changes, because of which many elderly cannot digest food. The metabolism slows, and as a result, they do not feel like eating. The chances of constipation is very high, again because of the same reason. And all these contribute to the fact that your senior citizen at home might not necessarily want to eat because of these things. Another reason also could be that they have dental cavities, or they have loss of teeth, or they're having dentures, because of which eating and biting becomes very difficult for them. There are particular precautions and there are particular things that we have to keep in mind, where we do not give them highly spicy food, highly oily food, food that has a lot of salt, something soft, something lighter. These kind of food are always preferred when we give the elderly. And the most important thing, do not force feed. The more you feed, the more damage you end up doing. Ask them. Some of the tips that you can do to encourage your senior citizen or your child to eat home at home is give them what they like. Now, yeah, I know a lot of people will say, oh, they like sweets. They like, find another healthier alternative. Give them that they can easily digest. Give them something that they can easily bite and chew. These are small little mindful practices that we can follow at the convenience of our homes and try to make life better for you and your senior citizen or your child or anyone who needs it. Until the next time, take care.